Good evening, class, and welcome to our grammar lesson for this evening. And we're going to begin by capitalizing proper nouns and then move into our spelling lesson for the evening. And those are the vowel sounds of oo and u. So let's begin with when a proper noun is the name of an organization, capitalize each important word. An acronym is a proper noun made up of initials or the first letter of important words. Capitalize all the letters in an acronym. So when you're doing so, you want to think to yourself, do the words name a kind of group or one group in particular? So for example, the name of the organization or acronym is the University of North Texas, or UNT is the acronym. So we're going to ask to rewrite the sentence on the line, capitalize the proper nouns. Now, I'm not actually going to be rewriting the sentence on the line because I don't have enough space. However, my expectation is that you write the sentence on the line, and we will capitalize the proper nouns. So let's do a couple of these together. First one is, Richie and Alicia founded the middle school jump club. Well, we know that Richie is actually somebody's name, so we would actually capitalize the R in Richie. We also know that Alicia is the name of a person, so we'd actually capitalize the A in Alicia. Now, what did they do? They founded the middle school jump club. Now, this can go either way. It could be a proper noun or it could be a common noun. It could just be the name of any middle school jump club, in which case it would be a common noun. However, it is possible that it could be the name, the middle school jump club could be the actual name of the club. So if that were the case, we would capitalize middle school jump club. Remember that in this one, it could go actually either way. All right, let's take a look at number 2. Would you like to see jumping rope as a sport in the Olympics? Well, would you like to see jumping rope? Rope is a noun, but it is a common noun because it's not the actual name of something. As a sport, sport is another noun, but it's also a common noun in the Olympics. Now we know that the Olympics is the actual name for an event that is held every 4 years in which people from all over the world compete in different sporting events. So we know that that would be a proper noun. Right, let's take a look at one more together and then you can finish the page. The Japanese team, well, we know Japanese is the actual name of a group of people, so we would actually capitalize the J in Japanese team is one of the best in the International Double Dutch Federation. And we know that International Double Dutch Federation is the actual name of that particular group. So we would actually capitalize all the letters within that. So you guys go ahead and rewrite 4, 5, 6, and 7, capitalizing where is necessary. You can go ahead and push pause here while you work on that. All right, let's look at our vowel sounds of oo and u. To begin, it says to write the basic word that completes each group. Well, we've got misplace, mislay, and we're looking for a basic word. So we have to go through each one of them. Stew, choose, lose, view, confuse, cruise, tool, execute, route, cartoon, avenue, include, assume, souvenir. So as we go down through our list, glue, we've got misplace, mislay. When you do those things, you're kind of doing what? Glue, flute, youth, accuse, bruise, stew, choose, loose, or lose. Well, we know that when we misplace something, oftentimes we lose something. Right? Let's take a look at number 2. It says street, boulevard, And we know that those are all synonyms for and one of our words, avenue. Okay. And then we've got soup, thick broth with vegetables, and we know that a synonym for that is glue, flu, tooth, accuse, bruise, stew. So sometimes we have like beef stew, and we know that that is a thick broth with vegetables. So we'll use stew and add it over here. Alright, you guys keep going, finishing off this page by adding the synonyms where necessary. Don't worry about this portion down here. Just mark that out, but do make sure that you finish this. Remember, you have to get all the way through page 42 for your homework, your spelling packet that is due tomorrow. So be sure you bring this with you to class, make sure you turn it in, and I will see you then. Thank you.